Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the MIDI track so audio will match exactly. Select the MIDI track, confirm the clip loop and tempo, and make sure any automation is where you want it. Once done, freeze the track. This bounces instruments and effects to a temporary audio file so playback is stable and CPU load drops. Freezing preserves sound while letting you commit without altering the original MIDI. This step lets you move on confidently, knowing the rendered audio will match what you hear. After freezing, you flatten the track. This replaces the frozen instrument with an audio clip that exactly matches the rendered sound. Once flattened, select any adjacent clips and consolidate them into a single audio file so edits and exports are simpler. Make sure to trim or extend clip boundaries and add small fades where MIDI notes cross clip edges to avoid clicks. If you need stems, solo the track before flattening. These actions turn transient MIDI events into stable audio ready for mixing. To finish, select the range to export and use File Export Audio/Video. Choose sample rate and bit depth that match your project. Exports create a standalone audio file you can share or import elsewhere. Once exported, import it back into Ableton to verify timing and tone. If something sounds off, make sure you flatten the correct track, recheck freeze renders, and confirm plugin overs or external routing aren't bypassed. A quick fix is to refreeze or bounce with higher buffer settings to catch overs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.